Hey, what's up my people? Welcome back. It's your village boy called Joseph over here. I'm coming from this famous area right here. So hello. So on today's video is another special video. I see Emirates on there. So today we are going to try one of the best let's say one of the best snack here. It's not a snack, but it's called it's a street food called Pav Bhaji. Hello. Hey bro.
How are you, bro?
I'm doing good, man. What's your name?
My name is Deepak Chobe, bro.
Deepak Chobe.
Yeah, Deepak Chobe.
Oh,
You
nice.
are from? Where are you
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, man. Hey, you people are so welcoming, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Myself,
Ashubham
Madhav.
Dubey.
Yes.
Ashubham
Sir?
Rajwali Chobe.
Shabin
What's
Shobe.
your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel, Crowd Joseph. Let me share it. Oh, hello. Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Cloud.
Proud.
Cloud Joseph. What's your name?
My name is Meher.
Mahel. Meher.
Unlock
Yes.
her.
Wow, nice meeting you. What's your name?
I am Sayoni Agirwan.
Sayoni Gibran. Wow, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you guys. Let me share with you my channel, okay?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
जुगाड़ है हाँ बोलो वहाँ आने का
I don't speak oh, maybe I should sit here.
Yeah.
No
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Okay. So guys, I'm here with
Madhav.
yes.
myself Deepak Chobe भाई पूरा लिखना वहाँ पे लिखना ठीक है मेंशन करना मेरे को can you give your me
Yes, I speak English.
इंग्लिश ही तो बोल रहा है
Hey, you understand Hindi?
No, I don't understand Hindi. This is my channel, guys. Oh, guys, I'm sharing. Yeah, I'm sharing with my friends right here some best vlogs of mine. Which is the best street food to try here? From
Vada
Vada
pav.
pav.
Vada pav.
Vada pav and Pav Bhaji.
Oh, Pav Bhaji.
so you are going to upload this right
Yeah, I'm going to upload this.
yeah, please mention my name
Guys,
Yes.
subscribe.
Thank you. So write for me your name, or you can give me your WhatsApp number. So
9
plus 2.
9
Okay.
1 plus 9 1
Yes.
I will have
Guys, I'm here. They are. She's here.
Oh.
She's on phone. You twins?
No, we are not twins.
To
We
see
are friends.
friends.
Like you're basically a vlogger or you do any other stuff or?
No, I'm just basically a vlogger.
Ah.
Yeah. So you recommended for me to go try. Is it pani puri or not pani puri?
Pani puri is actually very common in all over India. But
Oh.
if you would like to try any
Mumbai, you
Mumbai,
can-
you have to try vada pav.
Vada pav.
Because it is a must.
Vada pav.
Yeah.
add it
Yeah, I did that. Create new. Yeah. Your name? Yeah. So that I'll get Deepak. Deepak. That's good.
Hey, do you know Shah Rukh Khan?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
No, I don't know Shah Rukh Khan. I know. Is it Arjun? I know this guy Tiger Shroff. Salman Khan.
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan, I know them, but we watch them, but I don't know where they come from. Yeah, just find your name.
This
there.
is the place,
Yes.
which is the locality for the living of most of the film stars.
Oh,
This is the locality.
right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. So please, where can I get that one? You can get on the other side. I go. I say.
yeah
You just say Vada pav.
vada pav they will offer you
I'd recommend you not to take it from here, but take it from any local street vendors, because they will cost you a lot.
This one here.
Yeah.
So it's better from the other local shop because this
Yeah.
is okay sometimes.
Yeah, this costs a lot.
and you
I
are
would
foreigner now they will demand more money
Yeah.
More money.
I would basically vada pav comes around from 10 to 15 rupees, but they are asking for
Maximum
40
80.
rupees.
For 40 rupees.
Yeah.
nice to meet you
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice. Thank you, bro. They say something to them. Encourage them to subscribe here, man.
please subscribe the channel, bro. He is a very hardworking man and
He's very
support
pure-hearted man.
Pure-hearted man, good kind of man. Please support him and like him.
They came to know you within 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, please like and subscribe with the same energy and the same energy.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Nice meeting you,
Please
guys.
mention, huh?
Thank you, man. I'll mention your name. Before I do this, remind me your name, Deepak.
Deepak, yeah. Deepak.
Guys, Deepak here, so welcoming,
Shivam.
man. Shivam.
Yeah.
Deepak and Shivam, man, welcome me. It's so nice, man.
Yes.
In India, and they recommended me to go and try
Street food of vada pav.
Walla Pav.
Vada pav.
Walla Pav. Okay, thank you. Maybe I should go this way, Walla Pav. Will I make Walla Pav on the other side? It's better, right?
Vada pav kahan milegi?
What? where can we get wala pav? Because on the other side, I don't know if I'll get it on the other side.
Here I don't think that here you will get, but any locality in Mumbai, wherever, every fourth stop in Mumbai is vada pav.
Wala pav.
Basically,
Okay.
it's basically a burger, but in Maharashtrian style.
Wala pav.
It's basically a
Yeah,
stuffing
potato
of
patty.
a stuffing of potato patty inside a
bread
flour of
inside.
besan.
Oh,
Yeah, and it is covered with a bun, which is called pav in Maharashtra, which is and a liquid, sweet liquid,
Yes.
which, and one spicy liquid, green color, and it will taste very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And last words, please. Hey, bye. Thank you. Nice meeting you guys. You know. Thank you.
Bye guys. Yo.
Bye bye. Okay. Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Okay, let me move on the other side. Share, please. Bye. Thank you. Hey guys, it's so amazing. Pav Bhaji. Is it Pav Bhaji? I'm being recommended. I go on the other side. I move to the far end. I'm being told to try Pav Bhaji, and it's one of the most local food here. So let me try and see Pav Bhaji. Yeah, great. Moving on the other side, on the other good area. So this is the mostly. I'm told this place is expensive. And hello. So let me move on this Pav Bhaji. This Pav Bhaji. So let me move on this street right here. And I wanna be moving around. Hello, how are you?
How are you? I'm fine, see you.
Yeah, thank you. Hello.
What are you from?
I'm from Kenya.
Hi.
Hi.
Your channel?
Cloud Joseph. Right here.
एक मिनट ऐसे में करता
Guys, I was moving in the street. Oh, sorry, I was moving in the street right here, and I met my friends right here also. Let me check. This is my channel. Yeah.
Bro, please upload this video.
This video.
My scene.
Yeah, you might see it here.
Okay.
Yes. This is how you people friendly, sir. Okay, you say hi, bro. Good. Okay.
Wait a minute. Kenya.
Yeah. Kenya. From Kenya. You know Kenya, Africa?
Oh, yeah. South Africa.
Not South Africa, Africa. It's East Africa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your Instagram.
My Instagram, Cloud Joseph 31. This one.
That's good.
You see?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice meeting you. Which is the best street food to try here?
Vada pav.
Street
Vada pav.
Barabao.
Vada
Where
pav.
can I get barabao?
This is here. Shop.
Barabao.
Near Jewelry.
On the other side, near Jumbi.
Yeah.
Barabao, okay? Thank you. Nice meeting you, bro. Subscribe, share, okay? Thank you. Also you? Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Hi. Are you doing good? Thank you. Nice meeting you, okay? Thank you. Subscribe. Wanna share with you? You are in a traffic jam. Channel. Oh. You see it? Guys, I just met him on the counter, what you call like a traffic jam, and he waved. What's your name? Ania.
Dhanjit Gupta.
Danja Gupta. Thank you, Danja Gupta. Nice meeting you, Danja Gupta. Okay, so this is, I want them to follow me. Follow me, please. YouTube. Yes. Danja Gupta, Hania Chauhan. Thank you, Hania Chauhan. Oh, very nice. Thank you, shukriya. Thank you. Okay, guys, shukriya. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I'm moving around here. You said once more it's called Bawa? The food, Bawa? Barabao. Okay, thank you, Barabao. Let me sing Barabao. Let me sing Barabao. I wanna go eat Barabao. Hello, how are you? Hello, what's your name? Yeah, hello. You good food? Food? You good food? Okay. You share. You will share. You go share that, okay? You'll go share there. Go share there. Okay, share, okay? You'll go share there. Okay. Okay, thank you. You go share there, okay? Okay. Okay, guys. I'm being taught this. It's really great. It's really amazing. So on today's video, it's one of the greatest thing around. Can I use the gents? I'll come back right, okay? Hello. Okay, guys, I met my friend right here. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Siddharth.
Siddharth.
Yeah.
Thank you, Siddharth, man. Siddharth saved him from the street kids, man. They were all surrounding me. What? Siddharth said me, no? Jawa. Thank you, Siddharth, man.
No problem.
God bless you, man.
God bless you too, man.
Thank you, man. I'll come back on the other side and I'll say hi to you, okay?
Yeah, man.
Okay, thank you. Let me go try street food. It's called Pav Bhaji. is it?
Pav Bhaji, yeah.
Pav Bhaji.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, man.
No
Let me go on the other side.
Yeah.
Peace. Thank you. How are you? You cool? Thank you. Let me go in here. Okay, thank you.
Come, I have some good stuff for you.
Okay, thank you. Hey guys, so I was going around the street. Kids, I made a mistake, a very big mistake of giving them something, and there everything went in a black. And how are you? No, pilau masala. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
What's your name? Oh, okay. What's your name?
Hello.
Yes.
My name is Pav Bhaji 007.
Okay.
My name.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, what is he doing? What's your name? Say something. Say hello. Say hello to people.
Hello.
Yeah, what's your name?
Jason.
Jason. Nice meeting you, Jason. So I wanna try something good here. Okay, let me go around. I wanna talk to you, okay? Your name? My name Cloud Joseph. I do vlogs on YouTube. Guys, this is really amazing right here. YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. Okay, subscribe, okay? Thank you. Yeah? Okay, let me show you, okay? Yeah. Kaparua huko anataka. Nice to meet you. Kaparua huko anataka nimuoneshe channel yangu. Okay, Kaparu, here, you see? Oh, this one. YouTube.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Kaparu. Okay, Kaparu. Sawa. Okay. Nice. Things are so cool here. Things are amazing. People are welcoming. Hello, what's your name? Oh, nice meeting you. You prepare food here. Okay, thank you. I wanna go. A friend called me there on the other side. A friend calling me. Okay. Okay, thank you. So, guys, this street famous here, and I was told this area is kinda somehow. I don't know how I can say it, but it's kinda beautiful. And I wanna move. Let me go move around here and see. Hello. Hi. What's your name? Manyal. I do vlogs on YouTube. Yeah, we can say hi to my people. Yes. I share with you my vlog. Okay, no problem. I was told to share Pav Bhaji.
Okay.
What's Pav Bhaji here? Is it famous food?
Famous video.
Pav Bhaji, yeah. Channel. Yeah, bro, Joseph. Okay, thank you. You can share with you, man. It's gonna be good. I'm from Kenya. Africa. Yeah, Africa. Have you ever been in Kenya?
I know that.
Africa? Hi. This is Okay, thank you. Thank you. Be blessed. Okay? Hello. What's your name? Manoj.
Yeah.
I see you're doing good here.
Very nice.
Very nice. So, what are you preparing here? Do you have Bombay Crash?
Bombay Crash dish gola.
Oh, this gola. Do you have Pav Bhaji?
Pav Bhaji.
You have it?
Very tasty.
Very tasty. Where can we?
This place very tasty.
Okay, yes, I prepare Pav Bhaji. Okay. Oh, Pav Bhaji. Okay, thank you. Where can I sit and try Pav Bhaji? Okay. Oh, Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji. So guys, I'm here. I wanna try Pav Bhaji. Hey, what's your name?
Baba.
Oh, good, Baba. Thank you, Baba. So, who prepare Pav Bhaji here?
Very good.
That guy. Where can we eat?
Yes, yes.
There. Not here or not here? Okay. You say hi. So you're preparing Pav Bhaji here? Okay. Makaparo huku. Okay, nice. Yes? It's good.
Yes.
What's your name?
Yeah, disco.
Disco. Yes. Disco, what are you drinking? Disco?
Yeah, tea.
Tea. With small cup.
Yeah.
Eat with big cup.
Small cutting in Mumbai.
It's called?
Cutting chai.
Cutting chai.
Yeah.
Oh, cutting chai is so nice. Cutting chai.
You want to drink?
Cutting chai? I can try. Where is it?
Yeah, chai drink. Chai.
Cutting chai.
Yes, you try.
How much cutting chai?
No, for free for you.
Yes, for free for me.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Cutting chai, guys.
Hot milk,
hot.
water, sugar,
Milk,
ginger.
water, sugar, ginger. So let's try cutting chai. Very hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Very hot. We're trying cutting chai right here. Very nice. I am from Kenya, Africa. You know Kenya, Africa?
Yeah.
Very nice country in Africa. You know any country there?
No.
No country.
I
You
don't go anywhere out.
oh, you know any country in
Nobody
Africa?
knows.
Nobody. Oh, now me I'm from
Only in India.
only India.
Because we have don't so much money to go there.
Oh, so much money. But me I'm here. Oh. So we drink slowly.
Yeah.
No
Because
once.
it's hot. No.
Cheers.
Yes.
Yes. Called katiti.
This
Chai green tea.
you can call tequila.
Tequila. Indian tequila.
Yeah.
Hey, nice. So we are trying Indian tequila. Bagila na bhai. Bagila na bhai.
Yeah.
Cheers. Bagila na bhai.
Bara.
Bara. Yes, cheers.
Yes.
Do you know cheers?
Tequila.
Okay,
Yes.
tequila. Okay, thank you.
But don't drink in one sip. It's hot.
It's hot. Don't drink in one sip. It's small, but you cannot finish it. Okay. Show you my channel. Indian tequila. Very nice.
Morning
Hi.
and night.
We're trying here Indian tequila.
In morning one time and afternoon one time. Yeah.
Oh, one time
Everybody is drinking these teas in India.
in India. They love it. It's so nice. Milk, coffee, ginger.
No coffee.
No.
Water, milk, ginger and sugar.
Oh, very nice. They prepare for me, but they don't prepare.
Now it's preparing masala.
Masala.
Mumbai most famous vada pav
Oh, vada pav.
and pav bhaji.
Pav Bhaji.
Now he's preparing vada pav masala.
So I want to try Pav Bhaji.
Try one chili. You want to eat?
Yeah, I want to eat Pav Bhaji.
You want chili?
Yeah, chili.
Go.
Yeah.
You like pav bhaji for the khani chili. You like chili?
Yeah, I like chili. My dad eats chili a lot. Yeah.
All human items. Pav bhaji.
Oh, which is Pav Bhaji?
Yeah. All vegetarian and with bread.
Oh, this one.
And this is
Pav
called
bhaji.
tawa pulao.
Tawa pulao.
Rice, vegetable, cut and papad.
Oh,
That is called pizza.
pizza. Pizza in Kenya, we eat pizza also.
Yeah.
Oh,
But here is different pizza.
okay. What is it made from?
That is the bread for pizza base.
Oh, oh, on the other side.
Pizza base, yeah.
Oh, pizza base. Oh, so here we try
All
Pav
put in
Bhaji.
Butter and topping and vegetables. Onion, capsicum and tomato.
Oh,
Then we press the cheese.
oh,
There is the whole pizza.
right here. Pizza. Oh, great. So with us, we are going to try Pav Bhaji today. I'm going to try Pav Bhaji.
Yeah.
Very
Okay,
nice.
just 2 minutes.
Is it preparing? Okay. Let me show people how they prepare Pav Bhaji.
Vada pav masala.
Oh, this is putting on masala.
After that we will make for you pav bhaji. Yeah?
Oh, okay.
Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 minutes.
सब mix करके पाव भाजी निकाल के दे दो।
okay.
ये वाला रख दो।
Okay. Very nice right here, Pav Bhaji.
Hello. Cutting chai. You taste?
Cutting chai.
You taste?
English.
Security man here.
Is a good man.
No, security man here.
Oh, security man. Juhu Beach Food
yeah,
Court.
yeah.
Oh.
See, Juhu Beach Food Court.
Oh, what's your name?
Lambu.
Lambul.
Yeah.
Oh, Lambul.
What is Lambul? What is Lambul?
Hey, come here, man. Come here.
Come here, we will come
Come
back.
here,
Now
man.
say hi.
We'll go Kenya. Come here.
Hey.
See, nice guys.
He's a
Very nice guy.
Very nice, cool guy.
Yeah, yeah.
What's
Very
your
good.
name?
Pankaj Kumar.
Pankaj Kumar. I'm Cloud Joseph from Kenya. So say hi to my people. Greet them.
Say hi.
Oh, okay. Thank you, guys. I show you my.
Hi.
Okay, let's wait for Pav Bhaji, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for Pav Bhaji, guys, okay? So we are going to
Yeah,
Pav Bhaji, okay? So this is how they prepare Pav Bhaji now. Oh, Kaparu. Good. So, Pav Bhaji. Oh, it's ready. Hey. Oh, Pav Bhaji. Oh. Okay. Very nice. Trying Indian snack here, the most popular Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji. And we are at this amazing famous area right here. Very great. Very amazing. Ready? So I sit here? Yeah? Okay.
Sit here.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
Okay, nice. We can.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. We have any cold drink. Cold drink. Coke. Bring Fanta. Yeah, Fanta. Okay. Fanta. You have cold drink? Bring. Okay. I'm trying some drink here, guys, because this I know it very well. Okay. Thank you. Thumbs up. Okay. So I wanna try this with this. So let's eat and have a first impression here. We see what next. Okay. So how do we eat this? Let me try. I'm trying to try here, guys. What taste is cement? So we are trying this food, guys. It's called Pav Bhaji.
Pav Bhaji.
Pav Bhaji, very amazing street food. You can try, bro.
He's the owner of the shop.
Oh, owner of the shop.
Yeah.
Okay. So you dip this, you cut bread, put here,
Dip.
and you add these spices here,
Onion.
onion, this, lemon. Yeah. Pav Bhaji.
Indian people eating everything hot.
Take this in my country, kids will cry. Even big people will cry. It's very hot.
Yeah.
But the
Disco.
yeah?
His name is Disco.
Disco.
Yeah. Disco dancer.
Disco dancer,
Yeah.
disco. Disco. You call him disco.
His bad name is Disco.
Oh, disco. Okay.
Yeah. Calling his friend. Yeah.
Hey, I'm carrying away.
How are you? I'm eating Pav Bhaji. Thank you. just finished eating, guys. Pav Bhaji. I'm here now. I'm full. Very good, delicious, very nice. So how much we pay here? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You follow me on YouTube. This name.
Your name.
Yeah, my name on YouTube. Oh guys, I'm so full, and this is how they are here. Thank you. So where pay? Hey, how much? Eh? 210. Okay. Thank you. So I'm here. Oh, very nice. Let me try this. Everything here is food. Very nice. Hello. Cool. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, come again.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Let me see. I pay for the song. Okay. Thank you. Shukriya. So guys, I just ate everything here. It's so nice, so beautiful, so great. I wanna move on the other side, not this way. Then I wanna move on the other beautiful area, so that I wanna mark the end of this vlog. Thank you so much guys for being on this YouTube channel, because you're the people who make me love and believe. You cool? What are you drinking today? You cool? So I'm moving from the other side, coming here. I met my friend. Say hi to people. Hello. Okay, and this is his shop right here. Chelsea, Pav Bhaji, everything Pav Bhaji. Good. What are you selling? What? How much?
This here 2 rupees, yeah.
And this?
This here 2 rupees.
How much? How much does this?
शर का 2 है, धागे का 20.
Oh, they are
5
fine.
लीटर है तो 30.
Let me move now on the other side. I wanna go to the room now, edit my vlog. Hello. I edit my vlog now, and everything wanna be cool, man. Thank you so much guys for being on this YouTube channel. Now today I was at this area very famous around, and I ate Pav Bhaji and everything has been so nice. Thank you so much. Be blessed always, and bye bye. I wanna come back later here to see how the beach is again. Okay guys, I met some Indians right here. They look some Afro-Indian. Hello. What's your name?
Yes. Hello. Om Prakash.
What's your name?
Om Prakash.
Om Prakash. What's your name?
Dadu.
Dalu. What's your name?
Chetan.
Ranjit. Yogesh. Oh, nice meeting you people, man. Subscribe, okay?
Yes, sir.
I really appreciate, man.
Yeah.
India is so nice. What can you tell people from India? Well, they want to greet me. Thank you. Okay. Nice. The way they react to see a black man like me, man. You know, so nice. Yes. You wanna say something? Okay, thank you. So let me move. We are heading on the other side, and we wanna talk tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but you have my number, okay? What's up? And also YouTube, okay? Okay, thank you. And also thank you, okay? Okay, let's move on the other side.
Yes.